Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 hidden features of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, the latest foldable phone from Samsung. This phone has a lot of amazing features, but some of them are not very obvious or well known, so let's get started now. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon in discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The first hidden feature is the under display camera on the main screen. This camera is hidden under the display so you don't see any notch or hole punch on the screen. You can use this camera to take selfies or video calls when the phone is unfolded. The camera has a 4 megapixel resolution and uses AI to enhance the image quality. The second hidden feature is the S Pen support on the main screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the first foldable phone that supports S Pen, which is a stylus that lets you write, draw or control your phone with precision. You can use this S Pen Fold Edition or S Pen Pro, which are sold separately. The S Pen works on the main screen area, not on the cover screen. The third feature is app continuity between the screens. This feature allows you to switch seamlessly between the unfolded main screen and the folded cover screen for certain apps. For example, if you open an app on the main screen and then fold the phone, the app will continue to work and adopt its interface on the cover screen. This way you don't have to restart or reopen the app. So this is very handy feature. The fourth hidden feature is multi-window view on the main screen. This feature lets you multitask with up to 3 apps on one screen. You can drag and drop apps from the taskbar or use split screen gestures to arrange them on the screen. You can also adjust the size and position of each window according to your preference. The fifth feature is the Ultrawide Band UWB support on the phone. UWB is the technology that enables precise and secure wireless communication between devices. You can use UWB to share files, unlock doors, or locate other UWB-enabled devices nearby. For example, you can use UWB to send files to another Galaxy Z Fold 5 user by simply pointing your phone towards them. So that's it guys, these are the 5 features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 that you might not know about. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.